Okay, so down the rabbit hole we go. Ended up picking up a new ride. I did get rid of the Pilot because I wanted to try a new platform, so more on that in a different video. But in this video, one of the accessories that I'm going to install, and I didn't see anything out there, is the cargo covers for the MDX. This should be for any 2022 plus, 4th generation. So there's a couple things that are a little interesting with this. In the Honda Pilot, you can get the seat back covers and the side pieces completely separate, but in the MDX, it's only one package. Now, a lot of people end up buying knockoffs off Amazon, which I honestly was going to. The knockoffs are really good. This doesn't slide on those. You have the seat backs, right? But one thing that is not out yet, or no one's made or anything, are the side protectors. And because of the dogs, because of camping, because of the off-roading, I need these things covered. And in this, it's cloth, versus in the Pilot, which was actually hard plastic. These obviously won't scratch, but they will mar, right? So either way, I want protection back here. So I'll go ahead and show you what these look like. I'll show you how we're going to install them. I have a really long install sheet, which I don't know if I really need to post because it's pretty straightforward. And then we'll get to work and start putting them in. First off, the seat back covers. These match the cargo tray really well. It's the same thickness. They're really thick. They're really heavy duty. Basically, we're going to take off the headrest. We're going to slide these right inside there. And then on the back, there's Velcro. And the Velcro, we're going to put on there. But I'm going to bet that we don't even need these back pieces because I'm betting that this will stick directly to the fabric on the back of the chair. So we'll do those in a second. This was the big question mark because in my mind I was thinking, well, these are almost the same car. Couldn't I have just ordered the Pilot ones and got the knockoffs off Amazon? So taking a look at these are different than the Pilot ones, a little. Would the Pilot ones have worked? Probably, but in this case, we ended up getting the MDX ones. So obviously this is the passenger side and it essentially goes right here. It does not interfere with the USB-A that's up there. On the Pilot, it's actually integrated in there. I think the Pilot ones are a little bit higher, which may or may not have worked. I don't know. And obviously this is the driver's side one. And we're going to end up putting a rivet inside here. So once this is in, you will still have access to the battery down here. And then we'll snap it all in. I'll show you what the rivets look like next. Okay, so next we're going to take a look at the rivets. So basically, once we drill holes in the sides of the car, we're going to push these in, and these snaps, this will focus, maybe not. There we go. These snaps, basically, we're going to push in that little top piece, which is going to leave us with this ring, and the ring will snap into here. The difference with this over the Pilot is this one has these screws, and I had to look and see, and it appears that you install the well nut and the snap on the outside edge here, which is different than the Pilot. So I put these together here. The way that this works is you're going to find essentially the snap that's by itself. You're going to slide the screw through it, and then it's going to go into the well nut. So when you're done, you're going to have 4 pieces that essentially look like this: screw, snap, well nut, and those are going to slide in here. Okay, so leave it to Honda to always think of everything. Initially, I was thinking, oh, why do I need this piece to go on here if it's already furry, right? Well, this isn't a big enough surface area for it actually to attach very securely to this. It will work, but I assumed that the back of this was adhesive. It's not. This is almost like an Ace bandage wrap. So once you take it off, the back is not sticky at all, but it's almost got more Velcro on it. So when you attach it to this, it sticks really well. So we'll end up putting the last one on here, that, and then we'll center the middle. That's it. We are secure. So I tried to use tape. It will not hold, just like I remember in the Pilot. What I ended up doing in that was I just held it in place where it needed to go, and then I would punch each hole in here to have a direction on where to drill. The problem with this is when you punch a hole in here, you can't see it afterwards because it's felt. So what I ended up doing was just basically eyeing roughly where these things are, and we're going to hold it in place, and then we're going to punch through, and then we should be able to see right where we poked. Okay, so first things first, we're supposed to go at about 10 millimeters, which is roughly about an inch. So we're gonna drill through here first, go in, and then I'm gonna swap out to one of these bits, and I have this marked with tape, essentially how deep I need to go. We're gonna drill into there, doot, 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 doot. So now we're gonna take this guy, and we'll take this off, and you can see, you can barely see anything there, right? So we're gonna push this thing in, and then we're gonna push down on that to end up anchoring it into the car. So it should slide in, which it does, and then we're gonna push as hard as we can. So as you can see, I got one in right here, and then we put in the base right there. And we're gonna take this piece, push it in, and then screw in the rest. And if I measured correctly, everything should line up well. So fingers crossed. These do get relatively snug too, which is nice. Okay. Cool. So we are in. So obviously rinse and repeat for that side, and then you're done. All right, here we are fully installed. We've got the seat backs, the side protectors. Obviously we have the cargo tray. It's pretty crazy. Sunlight. Got vacuum a little bit, but you can see fully accessible for the battery. Got this side over here. Seat backs are on. So obviously it's not perfect, right? It's pretty flimsy plastic. I did realize that using the butt of a hammer was the best way to actually push in the rivets. Other than that, pretty straightforward and went really well for me.